Hey everybody, making a little video. I haven't put one on in a little bit, so what we're picking up is this, it's a kettlebell, 8 pounds, which comes out to like 499 tons in the scale. So once you add the block here, and you take it and add that block, we're talking 500 tons easily. You know, probably more like, more like, 510, 520, I think, something like that. But let's call it 500 tons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this up, I'm going to swing it over here to the edge of this rug here, which is going to give me 200 plus feet. I actually think it's more like about 230 feet if I can get it all the way off the rug, the runner. So basically we're running our split drums on the boom, on the main hoist, and on the jib hoist right there. Running well, see, on the main hoist here we're running actually 12 parts. Oh, no, 12 parts. You can see there's the switch back. Over here we're running 8 parts. You see the turnaround cable right there. So we're running one continuous cable. This is why I do this, is this way we don't get any of the sideways motion. We do get a little forward aft roll, but the sideways, you don't want this, you don't want that. You know, back and forth, it's no big deal. It's not a problem. So, anyways, let's try and pick this thing up. Okay, gotta go for picking up the piece. Simple enough. You see the hoist up here. So you got an idea. Okay, now we're gonna swing. And I like to keep my swing realistic. I know a lot of modelers have a swing that's way too fast, but anyone that's been around real cranes know they don't swing that fast. So, especially something this big. So here we're swinging nice and easy. And I'm going to start booming down. You see the hoist working there. So that's about enough. That's all I want to do for now. So we're still pretty high up in the air. Okay. So you can see that's out over 200 foot right now. Still has it. You can see that abrupt stop back in and come up. Okay, so there you go. That's 500 tons at about 230 feet. So I'm not sure what machine does that. I don't know if it's like a CC8800 or 13,000 or what, but big Lamson, who knows. But it's a pretty impressive pick. 500 tons at 230 feet. Now right now my boom hoist isn't strong enough to boom up with that load right there like that. So what I have to do, I have to let down on it and boom up until I can get it in my favor. So like, let's see if we can. Okay, we're booming up now. So we're booming up. Gotta hoist up, boom up, and add a little swing into this equation. So we're swinging, booming, and hoisting. Stopping the boom, hoisting to get over some obstacles. A little bit more booming up now. That's about good enough. Slow that boom down. Come down on that load a little bit. That's good enough right there. We're going to let her down. Oh, looks like we're on that incense deal. Okay, so now I have to pick it up a little bit. Give a little left swing. Okay. Boom down a touch. So I can catch that drift. Pretty good. Come down easy. Okay, there we are. We are landed. Okay, so anyways, that was my video for today. Hope you liked it. These are a few spreader bars. Those are some weights. These are 150 ton each for each one of those washers. See my spreader bars here. They are modular. I could add sections to them. You know, I have more sections, but I don't have them out here. But they do bolt onto the ends to make one long one. Working on a local 150. So see here, it's an old business card of mine. This was from back in 2001 when I worked for Maxim. So now I think that's about it. A little bit more detailed look for you guys that are interested in that. These scopes, they do pin in 4 different lengths. This one here does 0, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100. These are all at 100% right now. So what we're running is 160 squirt and 160 jib. So that's about it. Now everything on here I made myself from raw metal. You know, tubing, whatever, I made it, I bought it, I made it, cut it to length, whatever, welded it, with the exception of the cab and this red iron here. That's off of 18,000 TWH, and this jib is off, actually the main boom out of 16,000 TWH. So, that's about it. I gave this a 10 minutes, so Hope you enjoyed it. See you again.